I need some help from you guys here. Any idea how to check which tire pressure sensor is bad on a car? Because my two rear tires are registering below 20 psi. My two front tires are both registering exactly 30. And let me show you. And the last time I topped off my tires with air, that light is still on. Is there any way I can check it? Because like my scanning tool does not show anything on tire pressure. Yeah, that's just because I cleared codes on this and it's got to do a reset or whatever. But there is absolutely nothing on my scanning tool that would show anything on which tire pressure sensor went bad. Any ideas? This is a 2010 Hyundai Elantra Blue. Let me know in the comments, please.